Welcome to African American History Lesson 24. In this video we will learn about organizations of free Black people in the North who developed powerful infrastructures of resistance, resilience, and renewal. From building schools and churches, to advancing abolitionist causes and fighting for the rights of women, free African Americans shaped a political and cultural blueprint for community empowerment. By 1860, free Black people made up 12% of the total Black population of the United States. In the North, free Blacks used their relative mobility to organize, educate, and resist. In cities like Philadelphia, New York, and New Orleans, free African Americans established mutual aid societies that served as financial, educational, and cultural lifelines for their communities. These societies funded the growth of Black schools, independent businesses, and self-governed churches. They also supported the work of early Black writers, lecturers, and newspaper editors, ensuring that African American perspectives reached a wider audience. In the 1830s, Maria W. Stewart became the first Black woman in American history to publish a political manifesto, and one of the first women of any race to speak publicly on political issues. By boldly speaking out, Stewart helped to launch what would become the first wave of American feminism. She addressed the New England Anti-Slavery Society founded by abolitionist William Lloyd Garrison, editor of The Liberator. Black female activists during this time demonstrated how racism, sexism, and class exploitation were linked and demanded that they be addressed together. Their work fueled both the abolitionist movement and the early women's suffrage movement, even though they were often excluded from the leadership ranks of both. They used local churches, national lecture halls, newspapers, and grassroots protests to expand the freedom movement so that it was inclusive, holistic, and just. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe, share, comment, and engage with us on social media. See you next time.